Greetings, this is Mark Weithorn here, your real estate trainer with your 2-minute tech tip. Today, we're going to discuss what is the IDX. These days, everything is online. Back in the day, the slogan for the Yellow Pages was, "Let your fingers do the walking." Well, the Yellow Pages are long gone, but the slogan still runs true. We still let our fingers do the shopping online. Consumers want to go online and shop for real estate. They go to websites like Zillow or Realtor.com to see what's available. The problem is these listings show the names and phone numbers to other realtors. You do not want your clients going there to shop for properties. A safe alternative is called the IDX. The IDX, or Internet Data Exchange, is a system that allows a realtor to import the listings from the MLS into their website. The listings show up with all the photos and descriptions, but it leaves off the listing agent's information. They have to call you for more information. So when a client says they are looking for properties on Zillow, you can tell them to go to your website to do a search. Tell them that it is more accurate. When you are working with a new or potential client, the first thing they will do is Google you. If what comes up looks like scrambled eggs, they will not hire you. You have to make sure you have a proper online presence, that you look professional. And that is another reason why you need your own personal website. Well, that's it for this 2-minute tech tip. My name is Mark Weithorn with Showcase Websites. We have been creating websites for realtors for close to 20 years now. You can visit us at dpishowcase.com, and please remember to subscribe and like my YouTube channel to get updated videos. Thanks for listening to my 2-minute tech tip, and have a great day.